Guessing that's an electrical water heater, right?
I don't know. The wall without messing up the wall.
Oh, I see. Well, sideways.
Let me try.
Uh, you got a bolt right there.
I know. I see the bolts.
Got another one there. So make sure you cut those. Then all that will just come right off. Just make sure you don't cut any gas lines or anything like that.
I don't think they're.
It's interesting how the fire got. This is what we're dealing with. We got burnt sprinklers, burned wiring, burnt posts. So now we got to deal with all this. Whoa. Damn. You could cut it in any other way. We can just remove the pieces. Hold on. I got it. Damn. Sorry.
Should I switch this to metal to cut those bolts?
Yeah. Give me a second though. Let me test the power and that wiring. Make sure we're not cutting through live wires. Okay. Just making sure. Yeah, nah. Look at here. This is actually an outlet. Damn. It's cooked. Well done. Outlets for lunch. Check this out. Whoa. You don't have the drill here, right?
No, over there.
Yeah, we're gonna need that because it's got some clamps here that we need to remove. All right. Now on this job, we're gonna get to use this reciprocating saw that we just bought. It uses a 60-volt battery. And there's actually a battery that's you get a $200 battery for the purchase of one of these. And we also bought a new DeWalt drill, which I love pretty much. And this battery I have only charged once since I bought it, or I believe I don't think I even charged it at all. Damn.